Today we have this 2024 Chevy Colorado ZR2 edition. We're going to be changing the front turn signal. So this is compatible for the ZR1 and the ZR2. We're going to be doing the turn signals, which will be right here. It's a very simple install. 5 minutes, you'll be done. We're going to be using our T3 7443As, which is the amber color, for this turn signal. We're going to show you how quick this install is. Again, very simple, very easy. We'll show you before and afters. We will also be doing the interior, the reverse lights and license plates, but that'll be in another video. But be on the lookout, so we'll show you how everything looks. Alright guys, so we're going to be using our T3 7443As. This is a simple install for the turn signals, which is right here. So again, the connection is right here at the very side. All you need to do is turn the bulb, pull out. Again, simple install. Remove the bulbs out. Get one of the new T3s. So you'll probably take a longer time taking the bulbs out than what it is to actually take the bulb out from the housing. Alright guys, so right now it's not flashing. We have the hazards on. So if it's not flashing, just unplug it, rotate it 180, reinsert, and now it's working. When it's working, reinsert back into the housing and lock in, and you're done. So that right there you can see how it looks. Our LEDs 7443s compared to the factory one. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up our install on this 2024 Colorado ZR2. As you saw, it's a very simple install, maximum 5-10 minutes. I will say 5, if you want to be more detailed, more careful, 10 minutes. But again, simple install. If you like this install or these videos, please like and subscribe, as this does help us bring you more content on future videos, future vehicles, and of course, just help us out in general. Thank you and have a great day.